What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Chrissy Light channel. Well, technically the beginning of the Chrissy Light channel. I wanted to actually remake my entire YouTube and just make a daily type channel that revolves around my daily life, things that goes on off stream, within stream, and just random rants on video games, the football team, and most importantly, this little guy because we got a new member of the pack. So this is Mochi. He is our pug puppy, 3 months old now. And for today's video, I wanted to just show him off. Show him off. He doesn't like being held like that. And show his first video of us actually getting him in the house and him being an actual 8-week-old puppy. Right now he's 3 months in 1 week, and he already got his first shots. We didn't get any video on that, but I'm hoping to make this channel daily, whether in regards to whether it's me and Sammykins doing something, me Mochi, my thoughts on video games, or my setup that I'm working on for streaming. So what you can catch on here is going to be just anything daily life, anything financial, what we're doing on the side with Etsy stores, what we're doing on the side with Mochi, and some Washington football team stuff because we just beat the Pittsburgh Steelers. But pretty much it's going to be my online YouTube channel, and hopefully I can actually keep up with posting random videos on here. So I don't know if I'll continue on with a gaming channel, but I'll have some gaming stuff that I'm playing currently, so what I think about certain games coming out, but just probably no gameplay stuff coming out on this channel. So this video, you're going to see Mochi first arrival in the house of us picking him up day one and him as a 8-week puppy. And I hope you all enjoy it. I hope we get more Mochi videos out, and we'll catch y'all. Well, and I hope you guys enjoy the clips. Gosh, that would have been so perfect. I forgot the words. All right, y'all. See y'all later. And we just got a puppy.
A puppy. Hey, Mochi, say hi. Say hi, Mochi. Oh, he's perfect.
You happy? He's a cutie.
You want to get down and explore? Hello, Puggy. Hi. Hi, Mochi. Hi, Mochi.
Save me, Dad.
Hi, Mochi. You want to put on your harness?
So we in the mail, Mochi's first day, his new harness came in already. And we want to get him harness trained as soon as it has tags on it.
I know. I'm just getting them used to it.
We want to get him harness trained as soon as possible, to get him accustomed to having a harness when it goes on. Yeah, he's athletic, and we're keeping him only in the kitchen, his play area,
Hey, Mochi.
with the crate,
Mochi. Oh, hi, Mochi.
and
Hi. You want to try your harness?
that's all.
I took the tags off.
Just to let him get used to everything. But he just took a nap, and he's taking him excited.
Harness?
He's just excited.
With the harness?
We just wanted to show him everything.
You want to try the harness today? Hey, Mochi. It's okay. You don't have to do it today.
Think he likes the harness? Oh no.
And not toy. Mochi.
Hey, you don't bite. This goes on you.
Can you put it on?
Here,
Come on.
come here.
Come here, Mochi.
I'll try to take off his.
Come here, Mochi. You want to take off his collar?
Hey, no.
Give me that. Give me that. Thank you.
You're gonna love your new home, Mochi. He said, I don't know about that.
Come here, Mochi. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here, Doggy. Let me put it on you. Ow. Hey. Hey, Saka's mom. I don't know how to. Oh, okay.
He said, run away, Mom.
Come
Oh,
here, Mochi.
sprained ACL.
Come here, Mochi. Come here, Mochi. Come here, Mochi. Let's try again. boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy,
Look at
Mochi.
you. Look at you. Oh.
Hold him up.
Look at you in the harness.
So literally we're just gonna put this on him for a couple days until he's ready to actually try going out on it.
I know. Hold on.
It's okay, Mochi.
No. Good boy.
Mom finally got it on you, and you still got your collar on.
You
You look
don't like it? Come here, Mochi.
easy to grab you now, isn't it? You look stylish, man.
Hi, Mochi. I think it's too small, too big. I don't know.
I think it's fun for now.
Okay, we won't try this anytime soon.
Wait, babe, don't you have it backwards?
No?
Yeah, this goes on his chest.
Does it?
Yeah.
No. It does.
What kind of puppy, Mom?
That's why it doesn't fit. Okay. Sorry, Mochi. We gotta try again.
1 second, Mochi. Try and nibble on my hand, Mochi.
That's why it didn't fit.
It looks like it fits his exact size.
Wow.
Oh, he's like, walk me outside now. So, we have his collar on right now, but I'll probably take it off when he's on his harness. But I don't know. Do they keep the collar on? I think they do.
We just don't keep the harness on for...
Oh, he's stylish. Cute little water bowl. He's gonna be going out in any moment. No, you're not, Mom. There you go. Good boy.
Good boy.
And so that's his water bowl, and we have a nice little dog bowl. He already ate.
Notice all around us it's falling apart. That's the point of us.
You like outside? Huh, Mochi? You like outside?